Hey there, friends. This is TK, your feminine glow guide. What relaxation tools are you regularly practicing? Meditation, deep breathing, or immersion in nature? Maybe yoga or visualization? Or perhaps you prefer a combination of your favorites. Taking time to refresh throughout the day is a wellness ritual that will support the mind, body, and spirit connection. Today, I'd like to introduce you to a practice that may surprise you. I read an interesting column by Mark Walden and Andrew Newberg, MD, in the May 2021 issue of Science of Mind that focused on the benefits of mindful yawning. Because I'm in the business of promoting love, joy, and good health, I decided to include this method in my relaxation toolkit and share it with you. Of course, we all yawn occasionally, but have you ever yawned intentionally? Open your mouth wide, suck in some air, and make a little noise. Try it 2 more times. I think you got it. How did that little diversion make you feel? Now, according to Walden and Newberg, an easy way to enter that relaxed state of beingness is through 3 mindful yawns. They suggest that you pay attention to where the yawn starts and what it feels like. Sit quietly for 20 seconds and see if there are any noticeable changes in your mood or your mental state. The authors claim that after the first or second yawn, some people say they feel relaxed or stimulated. Want to prepare yourself for further intentional action? There's actually a science behind yawning, and 2021 CBS Sunday Morning featured Why We Yawn, a story that reviewed Gallup's research by Professor Andrew Gallup of the State University of New York's Polytechnic Institute, showing that yawning increases blood flow to our brains as a way of cooling them, much like a radiator cools a car engine. This is the brain's way of instantly boosting alertness and concentration. If you need another tool to de-stress or a quick hack to refocus, take time to master the mindful yawning technique. Try blending it with your meditation sessions, and you may discover that you're actually able to slow down those areas of the brain that cause worry and uncertainty. Want to learn more about yawning? Check out 10 Little Known Facts About Yawning from activebeat.com. Do you have a vision for what you want the second half of your life to look like? And are you willing to establish standards to help yourself get there? Take these 4 steps to nourish, transform, and flourish this week. Set a loving intention to try the mindful yawning method. Begin by practicing yawning for a few minutes each day, especially during those times when you need to relax. Now, how will intentional yawning support the mind, body, and spirit connection? Close your eyes and visualize how this lifestyle change can prepare you for your amazing second half. Remember, no action, no satisfaction. And finally, your likes, follows, and shares mean the world to me. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media to get recipes, inspiration, wellness tips, and more. We're on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram. And if you're ready to plan your second act, hop on over to lifestyle120.com to check out our Sprout Your New Life course. Discover the spiritual tools needed to live a dynamic and healthful life. And while you're perusing our pages, please sign up for our mailing list. In love, peace, and health. See you next week.